Hey, hello again, M21 here. Just giving you another update on my Landrover Defender and what's been happening. I think from the last video I had all this here pulled out, and so it's all been put back in, all cleaned up. Replaced some screws here, down here, those screws are missing, all sorts of things. New filter, you can see there, it's got new air cleaner. But one of the biggest things I've had to take to the workshop is the injector pump down in here, sort of focusing on there. It was badly leaking over the top there, and it didn't look so bad because of all the mud and grime in there, but after it was cleaned up it was obviously pretty bad, so I had to fork out and get the money to get new injector pump. And at the same time I got the timing belt done. The timing belt's down inside and in behind all those pulleys there, so I got that done as well, so blows the budget out a little bit for me doing up my Defender, but I know I got good stuff. And driving it back from the workshop, because I got it registered now, it's all registered and insured. It really runs well, really goes for 300,000 kilometers on the motor. Really cruises down the highway well, gets up a couple of hills, really doing well. I got new this intercooler pipe, new pipes, new everything. Some of the more people who know Defenders know that there should be one of the pipes, water pipe coming up. It goes through there, comes into here, it goes out down the end and joins up over the top there, because that's a heater box inside there. But it was decided that we're just going to put this pipe in instead, and it comes around down in here and just joins up the same. We just had to cut off this pipe because yeah, we just sort of better of that pipe, and we just left this is bent across here because we still have to put the washer bottle back in, and haven't been able to get a sort of original one to fit in, so I'll have to get an aftermarket one of some sort. It'll go in there and they have to make up a bracket, and there's the wiring of it's down there, so I'll probably have to modify the wiring and things. So other than that, it's coming along really well. I've got on the inside here, what do we do on the inside? Oh, a couple of things. Yeah, I think I've done a couple of things on the inside there. And back here, got all these parts ready to go. These are parts for all the suspension bushings underneath. So all sorts of goodies here. Different suspension bushings, different roll bar, more rubbers here. That's for the back roll bar and all the front. I changed the A-frame ball joint that goes onto the back diff, and realised how bad the suspension was. So yep, another couple $100 worth of parts, but when it's all done it'll be good, really good. So I just find time to change them. It's pretty straightforward. On the back of the seat there, I've got one of those yeah, whatever seat back things. I was looking on the internet there, I was buying a couple of things, and this was on the website too, and it was on sale, so I got it pretty cheap. It should have another strap, I think, in here to help hold that. It's just got a bottom and a top strap, but I might see if I can stitch something in there, hold it in. So far I just got my first aid kit, the water bottle fits in. It's got a couple of pockets here. Got a pocket there and a pocket up here, so suitable for like putting a maps in or something like that. So that's pretty good. Fold up step, because my wife's a bit on the short side, so it's helpful to have a little step for her to get up in there. It's going good, going really good. Yep, that's about it there. And in the back here, still thinking about what I'm going to do to enclose the back, make it a little bit more weatherproof, especially if I've got my gear in here, some camping gear, and maybe I sort of sleep in there from time to time. So it's 6 foot long, so it's just long enough, and make it a bit more secure too, so if I got some gear in there. So otherwise, coming along pretty well. So this is the TDI Defender by Landrover. That's an update, so I'll see how I go another month or so, get a few more things done on it. Yeah, if I remember, I'll put the camera underneath the car and show you changing some of the mentioned bushings, but there's a few videos on that sort of thing already. So there's that mentor enable. Thanks for watching. Remember, stay ready, stay alert, stay prepared, particularly in these just absolute crazy times we're living. Bye bye for now.